You all use different mobile applications or computer applications or websites. So the question is, have you thought or wondered what happens behind the scenes or how they are built? If so, the answer is these applications are built using a computer code, also known as a computer program. What is a computer program? A computer program is a set of instructions that is written in a certain language called a programming language that a computer understands, and these programs tell a computer to do certain things. Could be to send something or to display something, could be a number of things. So do you want to know how to build a mobile application or a computer application or a website? In that case, you need to learn about computer programs and computer programming languages. We humans speak maybe thousands of languages throughout the world. And similarly, computers also have different languages. The computers understand different programming languages, and some of these languages are C, C++, Java, C#, Python, and more. There are many computer programming languages. If you are interested in learning how to code or how to program, how to write a program, come join me in this course. I will teach you a Java programming language. Java is one of the most popular languages in the world. It is used in everywhere. You could use it to build a mobile application, or you could use it to build a computer application. It is used almost everywhere, and it is very, very popular. What do you need to attend this course? Basically, what you need is an inquisitive mind, like an eagerness to learn and some kind of a logical reasoning, and a problem-solving attitude, because this will require some problem solving. So writing a computer code, we have to deal with different situations or different problems, so you need some kind of problem-solving attitude. That's all you need to have. I will teach you everything from scratch. So come join me in this course. Subscribe to my channel, and I will take you from zero to hero. You have a good day, and I will see you in the course.